Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we'll be doing the 5 BHK sample flat tour of residential project Lodha Park's newly launched tower, Lodha Adrena, located in Worli, Mumbai. Looking to buy a home, but why do physical site visit? Housey brings to you the unique concept of online site visit with project unboxing videos, actual site tours, 360 building views and complete cost sheet with payment breakup. Sounds interesting, isn't it? So save the time and simplify your home buying process. Visit housey.com now.
Hello everyone, welcome to Housey, India's first real estate portal which eliminates middleman, or you can call as a broker, and connected home buyers with builders. Thereby, home buyers will get amazing, affordable and bottom prices as possible. So families, today I have come to showcase you one of the most luxurious project in Worli. Lodha Park newly launches Lodha Adrena at Kamala Mills compound. So let's come and take a tour what exactly Lodha is providing you. So right now I am at the sample flat of Lodha Adrena, which is 5 BHK, 2255 square feet. Quite spacious. So come inside and let's take a tour. So जैसे ही आप अंदर आते हैं, once you'll find this beautiful, amazing puja room. A spacious puja room, and then you can see this beautiful, amazing, luxurious living area. So basically, if you're talking about the layout of this project, this layout is called butterfly layout. Why this is called butterfly layout? थोड़ी देर बाद बोलूंगी, लेकिन उसके पहले look at this living area. So this living area has been divided in two ways. The first one is when you can come and sit with your family and chill, or else if you're a couple, or if you're with a group of friends, so you can come and sit chill over here as well. With this, they are providing you glass facade windows. From floor to ceiling, they are providing this glass facade windows where you can see the whole view of Mumbai. Amazing. Now let's talk about the dining area. Again, Lodha Adrena is providing you the spacious dining area where your family come together and eat together. Amazing. So now let's take a tour what exactly. So families, if you want more information about this project, if you know more about the amenities, what you can do, you can click the link below and download the e-brochure जहाँ पे आपको सारी चीजें regarding the prices, amenities and everything you will get. So do not forget to download e-brochure. This area is all about. So once you come, my left hand side you can see they are providing you the powder area. So this is your powder area look like. So this tap, this sink and commode, everything is provided by the builder. Then आ जाइए खाना बनाने के लिए. Yes, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जगह ही इतनी बड़ी है. I think this spacious kitchen I have ever seen. This is amazingly kitchen. C-type kitchen दिया हुआ है, as you can see. Again, this granite is provided by the builder. The sink and tap is again provided by the builder. With this, they are also giving you the spacious space for your utilities, where you can keep your microwave or anything else. Now, let's go to our first room. You can call it as a guest room or a child room, kids room. So again, a beautiful guest room. As you can see, glass facade windows, good for ventilation, good for sunrise. You can see a beautiful sunrise or sunset and the beautiful view of Mumbai. And good for lighting also. And here you are getting attached washroom with this. Again, you can see the fittings, sink, tap, commode, space, everything is provided by the builder, and again your bath area. This fittings and everything is provided by the builder. Towards our next bedroom. So this is your master bedroom. Dil tham ke rakhiye because it's gonna be amazing. So once you entered, they are providing you the space for wardrobe, as you can see, and also the space for your dressing area. So this is your dressing area space. जैसे ही हम आगे आते हैं, you can see amazing washroom. Again, sink, tap, commode, everything is provided by the builder, and this is your bath area. So अभी दिल थाम के बैठिए क्योंकि हम आपको दिखाने वाले हैं अमेजिंग सा बेडरूम जो ये टिकट साइज में आपको ऑल ओवर मुंबई में कहीं पर भी नहीं मिलने वाला. So come and let's take a tour of this amazing, beautiful master bedroom. Yes. So again, this beautiful bedroom coming with this glass facade windows where you can see all over Mumbai. अपनी आँखों से इस मुंबई का नज़ारा हम देख सकते हैं, सुबह हो या शाम, रात हो या दिन. It feels like I am roaming in Queen's bedroom right now. This is amazing. So now come forward. We'll see what is in the opposites. क्योंकि बटरफ्लाई लेआउट में ये होता है कि आपके दोनों साइड आपको बेडरूम्स मिलते हैं. नॉर्मली व्हाट हैपन, नॉर्मली जो बिल्डर्स होते हैं वो आपको एक ही साइड में एक ही लेआउट में आपके बेडरूम्स देते हैं, विच इज़ नॉट हैपनिंग राइट नाउ क्योंकि वो पुराना लेआउट हो गया है. अभी का जो लेआउट है, दिस इज कॉल्ड बटरफ्लाई लेआउट, जो आपको दोनों साइड में आपके बेडरूम्स देता है ताकि आपकी जो घर है वो एकदम स्पेशियस, बड़ा दिखे और आपकी प्राइवेसी भी डिस्टर्ब ना हो. So now let's come and take a tour of this side of the part. So this is again your passage area. Again, this is very stylish. Can come. Another beautiful concept by Lodha Adrena is they are providing you utility space and storage space. So this is your utility space where you can keep your washing machine or any other stuff which is not, regularly used for you. And this is your storage space. Yes, so this is your utility space and this is your storage space. Again, a different concept where you can keep your जो हम चीज़ें नहीं यूज़ करते हैं, you can keep it over here. Let's take a tour. So this is a beautiful view of storage space. Again, this is your beautiful passage area. As I entered, this is another bedroom. Again, they are providing you spacious space for the wardrobe. Again, a key point of this project. Glass facade windows again you can open that glass facade windows, and also they are providing you some space where you can, keep your study table or your office work also you can do from here. So this is another, or you can make a beautiful dressing room also here. So yes, thumbs up. So now let's come to this washroom, attached washroom. Again, the CP fittings, that means that's water fittings and everything, sink, tank, tap, everything, commode, everything is provided by the builder. Also, we have a bath area inside. So now, ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about what Housey does for you. What is exactly Housey? So Housey always provide you the virtual tour of your favorite project. Adding with this, we also provide you the dedicated relationship manager for you. जहाँ पे आपको कुछ भी query है related your favorite project, they always happy to serve you. With this, also they provide you the site visit of your favorite project. So if you want to know more about Housey, what you can do, just go and register yourself, which is housey.com, Also, do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. So now next is your study room. You can call as a office room or meeting room, anything. So again, a beautiful concept by Lodha Adrena. As you can come inside and see this beautiful space. You can sit, do your work. If you have a conference, you can do it over here. So a lot of things you can make in this room. And after COVID, I think हम सभी को एक ऑफिस स्पेस बनाना बहुत important हो चुका है, and this is the best thing. Now let's come. Moving forward to our next bedroom, again attached with washroom, and you can see first we'll see the washroom. Again tap fittings, everything is done by the builder. Bath area is here. And then again they are providing you the spacious space for wardrobe. And again they are providing you the spacious space for wardrobe. आप देख सकते हो बहुत बड़ा wardrobe यहाँ पे बैठ रहा है. So again thumbs up for Lodha Adrena. And this is a beautiful bedroom. Again they are providing you more space over here. So also you can keep your study table over here, or if you want you can make a dressing table like this. Anything, whatever you want, you can आप बना सकते हो. Again glass facade windows, floor to ceiling पूरी glass facade windows दी हुई है ताकि आपका व्यू खराब ना हो, and you can see the whole Mumbai अपनी आंखों से. Forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon for more updates, and yes, do download the e-brochure. Thank you so much and a happy dream home.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.